Hello, everyone. Hi. Silence. Hi. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Welcome to this demo nights for batch 534. Yes, we can give them a big round of applause already. So very nice to meet you. I am Manon. I'm the marketing and events officer of Wagon Melbourne. So thank you for the people on Zoom. Thank you for the people here. It's pretty packed here. I hope we're not going to melt, but should be okay. We really want to thank Inspire 9 as well for this beautiful room that we can use every day, and it's really a blessing to be working with them, even if they're not here tonight. Cool, so before we get started, let me tell you a story. So picture this, we are January 11th, and 13 complete strangers work out into this Zoom room, or actual room, this very room, and they have only one thing in common at this stage: they want to learn how to code. So at this point, they really have no clue what's going on whatsoever, you know, what even is a terminal, right? But now we are 67 days later, and the very same 13 people have gotten very close, and most importantly, they are presenting their apps coded from scratch in 2 weeks. So what happened in just 67 days? Because it is not very long, right? So they joined their batch and did the Wagon coding course. So for 9 weeks, they went through every key concept of programming, from backend to frontend to design, and just learned to work as teams, which is the most important thing here. So they've done everything from pitching ideas to selecting project to the user journey to the design to the buttons. This one's for you, Damien. And they coded everything that you're gonna see tonight, putting into practice everything they've learned. So believe me, you're in for a very, very good time. We really want to give a shout out as well to John, who flew from Sydney to be here tonight. And and to Angus, who is watching us. We really miss you, Angus. We wish you were here. Okay. So now, because everyone is on the edge of their seats because of this thing behind me, we'll just get started with the first team. So we have Wuba, presented by Byung-chan right here, with Angus and Kira.
Thanks, Manon, for the introduction. I guess I'll just be taking it away from here. So my name is Ryan, and I'm in my first final year at university, and I've also just finished a coding bootcamp. And outside of my university studies, I wanted to master the JavaScript that I learned throughout the bootcamp. And after finishing the bootcamp, I really found the benefit of doing peer programming, whilst sharing the resources to learn together, and also to just motivate each other to do the work. And in doing so, I've stumbled upon a website called Woba. So Woba is essentially a website that allows users to partner up on journeys to learn a tech stack together, or either learn on do a project together. And before moving on, it seems like I got some notifications. So I'll just quickly start on the notifications. And it seems like we've just got some notifications from some messages in regards to the people that I've matched with JavaScript previously. So I'll just go to check what kind of messages there are. And we got a message from Bundy first. He's just wondering what website I go to for coding challenges, and I really like Code Wars. So I'll just point that out to him to let him know, Code Wars. And I'll just reply back. And I'll also go to Shavika because she also has messages for me. And it looks like she's got problems, she's got a coding problem. And it looks like she's just missing a capital in the for-ish. So I'll quickly reply to her with a capital E. Classic mistake. Right, and like I mentioned before, I'm in my final year at university, and I also wanted to pick up a backend language, and I've heard that Python is really great for technical interviews. So I might just go ahead and add that to my tech stack. So I'll just go into my profile. And here I'll just add Python. I'm a beginner, so I'll just add Python in the experience section, and in the objective, I'm looking to improve my skills in technical interview, along with, I've just spelled that wrong, along with project in maybe Python. So I'm gonna see if there's anyone that's willing to match with me doing Python. And great, we've got John. So he's got experience. I got a C++ in high school. Okay, classic dad joke. I'm gonna skip out on that. Nah, and we've also got Ian. His experience is a beginner, and he's also willing to look up a partner to do a maybe project together. I really like that, and I want to do a project together, so I'll accept him. And it seems like we've got Damien, experience when it comes to the ladies, very. I think he's getting the wrong idea here. This isn't Tinder, so I'll quickly get that away out of the way. We've also got Angus. He's trying to get into AI and machine learning. I think that's pretty cool, so I'll accept him. And we've also got Sam. His experience is pretty much just plays Clash of Code all day. That's pretty cool, so I give him an accept. And another reason why I wanted to go and use Wobble was I wanted to get a mentor in JavaScript to really perfect my skills that I got in the bootcamp. So I'll just search for people that can mentor me in JavaScript. And we've got Henry. He's an intermediate, but he wants to challenge himself with the skills. I'm looking for more of a mentor. And sweet, we've got Amanda, who is advanced in experience, and she really wants to help out someone become a programmer. I really like that, and that's what I'm looking for, so I'll just accept. And cool, it seems like we've got a match. I might just message her a little bit later because I'm interested to see what else there is. To see if there's anything interesting in the post section, we have learn JavaScript. Not really. Create an app, that sounds pretty interesting, so I'll just go to click on the application. It looks like Philly's looking for someone to do a productivity app on React. That's exactly what I wanted to do with JavaScript, and that's great. So I might just give him a comment and say I'm also interested. And I'll just say, let me know if you're willing to do it together. I'm sure he'll understand. Yeah. That's all good for now. We'll go over and see if there's anything else interesting. We've also got to build a project by Kira. Oh, it seems like we have a notification. I just want to check that out and see what it is. Oh, so Philly's actually sent us a friend request, so I'll just accept that. And again, I think I saw something interesting in the post section, so I'll just go back to this post before messaging Amanda and Philly. Building a project. So she's looking for people to build an application that gets people to work on the projects and learn coding together. That sounds like exactly what I wanted to do. Oh no, it's Damien again. Why didn't you accept my free request? Damien, it's not that kind of an app. But what it is an application where people can come together and partner up on their journey to learn a technology or build a project together, and that's all about Wawa. Thanks, guys.
So second group of the evening, we're gonna have social games presented by Amanda with Akash and Ian.
So, hi everyone, I'm Amanda, and I would like to share a problem that I have experienced with everyone today. So, my husband and I, we love to play social badminton. It keeps us active and it helps us to meet other people in Australia. So, what happened is, we have a group that we play social badminton with. But when they create a date for a game, most of the time we are not available. So there's an availability issue. And then even if you are available, what happens is it's very difficult to get your name on the list. So there's a very unique system that they have created to get the name on the list. This system is like they have a chat group and they have a list. So they put this list on the chat group. What you have to do is copy it, put your name in, and repost it. So like while I'm doing that, I'm like copied it, I'm going to put my name in and repost it. There's already another person who has reposted the list with their name in on my spot. Now that sounds crazy. Like I have to edit my list again. So I just take the list, again, put my name in and try to repost. And there's another person who has already put their name on the list. How many times would I do this? And I just like think, no more badminton for me. I'll just play no badminton. I'll just stay home. That's more easier. And after some time, what happens is this chat group suddenly becomes like a boxing match. Everyone is trying to get their name in, and everyone is like telling, why did you put your name before me? So for this, no one needs this frustration. And finally, there's a solution. And that solution is an application called social games. So just let's have a look at social games. So it looks like a cool app, and it has fine sports. And when you scroll down, like it says that no credit card needed, that means you're not going to pay for the app. And that's cool. I don't want to pay. And no commitments, that means like you have your flexibility, which I love. And reward system. So rewards, I'm not sure what that's about, but I think I'll learn while using the app. So let's just find some sports, because I really want to play a game. So let's see like what games they have to offer. Oh, so I see that they have a lot of games: netball, basketball, tennis, badminton, and you can see the skill level. That's really good. And you can see how many spots are available. So you know, like, you have a place in that. But because I like badminton, so let's just search badminton games. I don't want to scroll through the whole list. So let's see what badminton games we have. So you have outdoor badminton. That's cool. And then you have what is Bruce Wayne's favorite sport, badminton. I think that may be Bruce Wayne or somebody who really likes Batman. So, and there's badminton, Too Fast, Too Furious. I like that game. You know, I like cool cars and fast cars. So let's just join that. Huh. So, yeah, so it's created by Donna. There's 4 participants, 1 left. So I just joined in now. And I see I can create a message. So let's just create a message and say, hi, Donna, looking forward to play on Saturday. And I think I'm really excited to play a game on Saturday. That's tomorrow. So that's cool. Now I would like to see Donna's dashboard. That's the organizer, to see what she has. So she has already got a badge. That's cool. And she has few bookings and 1 game. If Donna's dashboard is so pretty, I would like to see my dashboard. Let's have a look at my dashboard. Oh, I have already earned a badge. Hooray. So what? I think I don't want to play the game. I'll just earn a badge and stay at home. No, I'm kidding. I'll just go to the event. So I'm really happy that I have joined the event. I already have a badge. And I think I'm so excited that I will add my own game. So because I like badminton, it'll be a badminton photo. Let's choose a badminton photo. And so I think I'll choose a COVID-safe badminton photo. What do you think, guys? Good? Yeah. And badminton is my game. Skill advanced. And the event, I'll say badminton, the game we live for. I should put a cool name. Everyone has a cool name. And description, getting bored at home? Let's play a game. I think I have too many I's and T's. Getting bored at home. I just forgot, I think it's too much of stress. All right, so the address is 41 Stewart Street because they give their badminton courts on Saturdays and Sundays. And the date, I will play this game on Sunday, the 21st, because I already have a game on 20th. And at 4 o'clock, that's 4 p.m., that's a good time. And how many hours? 2 hours. And to keep it COVID safe, let's just put 3 participants. So I'll just create my event and have a look how it. So it's done, and I hope someone joins in because I really love to play badminton, but I can't play it by myself. So let's hope that someone joined in. And I can see that I have some notifications. So that's like what I have done, and Akash also has commented on an event. So that's cool. But now I think I'll go back to my dashboard and see what else has happened. Oh, I have another badge for creating an event. So now I have 2 badges. So that looks good. So I have 1 game on Saturday, 1 game on Sunday. I am very excited for my weekend. I'm done for the weekend, and I hope everyone here enjoys the social games app as much as I did. So social games is the best platform to search your next game. Thank you.
Amazing. So now we're going to see the third team of the night. We're going to have Together, presented by Shivika, with Tembi, Philemone, and Sam.
Okay, I am so sick of boring Tinder dates. All that effort and planning, why not use that energy to plan something exciting with my girlfriends? But as we all know, planning an activity with friends or even as a couple has its challenges. So, first you need to reach out and you need to get everyone on board, and then there's always that one person that does not reply. Then you spend hours contemplating a destination, scrolling through multiple sites like Facebook events, Meetup, the lot. And then trying to work around everyone's schedule, it's just a nightmare in itself. So, no matching dates until April 27th, 2023. Give me a break, guys. So all of this aside, we also need to now abide by travel restrictions and density limits. Times are so unpredictable, we really can't go beyond Melbourne. I don't know how John's done it, he's here, but we really can't. Since when did catching up with loved ones become so difficult? So enough of my sob story, let's get together. Okay, so I think, as I said, I want to catch up with my girlfriends, and we've been stuck at home for months. We want to get out there, do something active, so let's go for sweat. Cool, and let's go tonight, right after the demo, 19th March. Mario! Sorry, I get very excited. Awesome, okay, we've got some pretty cool activities. I like it. One thing you'll notice is we've got a variety of activities, and that's because we're pulling from, different APIs. We've got our own database. It's pretty cool. Okay, so, salsa dancing, I see. Let me have a look at that. All right, okay, pretty pictures, okay. I don't know, though. I don't know if the girls are really into this, so we'll keep looking. Oh, okay, I see the rock, but I don't know if that's a good idea. He's just too beautiful. We'll just get distracted the whole evening. Oh, wow, look at that. Tembi, where you at? Okay, you know what, we're just gonna get too distracted. I think I saw, Bay Dance. Honestly, I don't even want to look at the pictures. More details. Okay, cool. Pretty pictures. Unleash your inner diva. Yep, I'm sold. Let's look at the directions. Let's see how far it is. Okay, we're at Inspire 9, so 41 Stewart Street, Richmond. Perfect, 6 minutes away. You know what, I'm sold. So let's go back. I'm gonna save this activity. Actually, you know what, maybe before saving it, I'm gonna message the organisers and we'll join the chat. And I wanna know what time this event starts. So what time do you guys start? Oh, okay, oh wow, this looks lit. It looks so much fun. Everyone's already loving it. I'm keen. What time does it start? Yep. Let's see. 8 p.m. Awesome. All right, I'm going to save this. Yep, cool. Yep. Thanks, Tembi. All right, we'll go back and we'll save this activity. Now, I don't know, seeing all these pretty pictures, going through all these activities, I'm actually feeling pretty inspired. All right, cool, saved it. I think I'm going to create an activity. Now, I don't know about the rest of you guys from batch 534, but my back is absolutely cooked after these 10 weeks. So I'm thinking, let's go back to sweat and let's, call it batch 534 Pilates, stretch. Let's stretch. Pilates. No pressure, Tembi. All right, let's stretch. And we'll do it back at Inspire 9 because I think we're all going to miss this place. We'll do this Monday morning in case someone hops on Zoom. And we'll pick some pretty pictures. Nice. Batch photos. Really fit people doing Pilates. Not me, definitely not me. All right, we'll submit that. Awesome, that looks pretty cool. And I think the final touch, I'm gonna send this to our batch WhatsApp group. So we'll just go on WhatsApp. And we'll send it to 534. Hit send. Awesome, okay. All right, guys, everyone knows that pretty much anything is better than a bad Tinder date, but this app is so much better, and it's better because it's together. Oh, wow, and everyone loves it. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivika. Okay, and for the last performance of the evening, we're going to have Song Savior with Damien, John, and Bondi.
All right, hey guys. Most of you know me as a very normal, plain, quiet sort of guy. I don't do much. I'm pretty chill. No, I'm not Damo 2 beers. All right, Ian. But once upon a time, I wasn't this. I actually, back in the early days, I used to be a singer in a band. A lot of songs were written. A lot of bands failed. Now there is a repository of songs that I have that are doing absolutely nothing. And I figured, why shouldn't I create a site where I can sell the bloody things and make some money? So that's what we've done. Song Savior, the place where dead songs go to live again. So we are going to do, let's start with selling a song, eh? I think we'll put a song up. We'll see if we can make some millions. It's a song I wrote when I was very young. It's a pop song. Some of you might have heard it before, but we'll just wait. I mean, the login is a process. You got to understand that this song was really close to my heart, right? I mean, I wrote this. It's got feels, major feels. So. I'm not sure if I should do it. That's why it's taking me quite a little bit of time to put it in. It hurts, all right? It hurts. I don't know. But it is that good that I want to put 1.2 million, thank you. That's how good this song is to me. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. It's got to be pop, I think. It's pop. I don't write pop, but this song I feel like it's popular. This is going so well. That was fun. All right, that's enough. All right, let's create the song, shall we? And we might have a quick listen. We'll see what the song sounds like. Let's hope the audio works. Oh, okay. Just a short snippet then. Thought it was going to go longer. Okay, cool. So that's good. All right, well, we've put our $1 million song up. Now, my wife did say that she would let me become a folk artist because I can, I can go to the back room of the house, bang out on the acoustic. And it was not going to hurt anyone too much. So let's go and listen. Let's go and find some folk songs, shall we? Let's go up and search. It's in dark mode. We can't turn it to light mode. Tech support? No. I know the tech guys real well, and I've heard they're working on it. So, country. Well, we'll try country. Who's this guy? What's that? Yeah, let's have a listen. All right. What's this all about? Yeah, come on, let's play it. Let's have a listen. Hey, George. Please help me out. What is this? I've got a hard one. Now help me come in. I know that I'm supposed to do it myself, but it's so damn hard. Please make it better. All right, that's a terrible song. That is bloody awful. All right, we're not gonna have that song. Unfortunately, I don't know. If anyone's out there that could help me find a song that I would like to buy. Anyway, okay. Well, point being, we get the gist. You can upload a song that you want to sell for millions. You can look. Oh, sorry, dude. You can buy songs you want to. No, we've already uploaded. Now we're just going to check our messages and make sure that there's no one waiting to buy our song. That's all. I think we should check our dashboard. What do we got here? Oh, Buble. The Boob. There's no way it's the Buble. So I get. What are we doing here? Yeah. Anyway, Mr. Buble wants to buy a song from me. This is pretty intense. Is it really Michael Bublé? It's not, is it? It's not. It's a lack of songwriting skills. He's terrible. Yeah, it does. All right. We're just just accept it. Let's just get out of here. I think it's done. It's definitely past 5 minutes. All right, guys. We have now accepted a song, $850,000. Yeah, cool. All right, anyway, so that's Song Savior, everyone. I'm sorry that it didn't work as smoothly as we like, but you get the gist. It's a song where it's a site where you sell songs and you buy them. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Damien. Well, that's it for tonight. So it's official now. The batch 534 is officially part of the alumni community. So congratulations, guys. Big round of applause. So we really want to thank the teachers' teams before everything else, because teachers and TAs alike, they just gave their everything for all the students to not only learn, but also really have fun while doing it. Well, you can probably tell. So really, thank you so much to George, Sheila, Sai, Cam, Cass, Paul, Antonio, Jurek, and Rob. And thank you to Marty and Guido and Jayon Luca for their help as well. Big round of applause for them as well. So, well, our 13 new students are really not alone in this path, because 10,000 people did the same bootcamp before them. So that's quite the family, in 41 cities around the world. So you're always going to have this support system with you guys, and people will be helping you out along the way in your tech journey. But you really have everything you need to thrive in the industry, and I'm sure every one of you is going to bring something different to tech, so really looking forward to see that. And the great news to everyone else watching us at home, if you're curious about this entire process, because it is way more than just learning how to code, really. It is this entire building, designing process. Well, you can do it too. So our next full-time batch is starting in a month, so on April 19th, and we are still accepting applications. So you can send it on lewagen.com/Melbourne. Very easy to find. We also have a part-time batch. So if you still have a full-time job and you want to be coding on 2 evenings per week and Saturdays, that is starting on August 7th. So that's the schedule for the part-time to give you an idea instead of doing 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is also very intense. Do not be fooled by this. And speaking of the part-time, tomorrow we'll have the demo day for our batch 466. So they're going to be presenting their own apps. If you want to tune in as well, it's also going to be on Zoom. So yeah, no pressure, kiddos. You have to do as well. So yeah, if you're curious about the content of the course, if you have more questions, if you wonder if this is really the right move to do in your career right now, we have an open evening coming up next Monday. So it is on Zoom. Paul will be answering all your questions. And yeah, basically this is where you want to be even if you have very general questions about coding bootcamps. We're also going to have an alumni panel coming up that's going to be on our meetup group. You can find it very easily on the internet. And yeah, if you have more questions, you can reach out to Paul. Also a very easy guy to find on the internet. But here is all his coordinates. You can book a call with him for sure, and we'll be very happy to help you out figuring out your next step in your journey. So that's a wrap, everyone. Congratulations again to our 13 new graduates going on their own tech journey. It's been a pleasure. And yeah, big round of applause once again. Congratulations, everyone.